Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 12 area related to circle exercise 12.3. Up to 7 questions we completed. 8th question onwards. There they tells about one racing track is there. Racing track is there. Track length of the track is given. This length part they given as a 106 meter, and here distance between these two inner part to parallel lines. Which are the parallel lines? This and this are the parallel lines. The distance they given as how much means 60 meter is the distance between the two parallel lines, and width between outer and inner track is given as 10 meter. This width of this outer, this is our outer track, this is our inner track. Their width given as 10 meter. For easy calculation, I give some name. Here I mark an alphabet A, and here mark it as an alphabet B, C and D. So we get a outer rectangle. Outer rectangle is ABCD is our outer rectangle. Then next same way inner rectangle also. Here I mark it as P, Q, R and S is the inner rectangle. Outer rectangle is ABCD, inner rectangle is PQRS, and right and left side two circular semicircle is there. For identification, mark it as give one alphabet as TA. Here I give mark an alphabet as OM. In this way I given them. What they are asking means find out the distance here distance around the track, where along the inner edge distance they ask. Distance means what? Distance means a perimeter. Perimeter they ask to find out the inner part, inner track perimeter they ask to find out. How to find out that means here first what here inner part looking time, what is this part, this part here distance means this full part distance we want. Here to here P to Q distance represent as a length. The length is given as how much? 106. Same way SC to R also represent as a length of that rectangular part. That is how much? Opposite sides are equal. There also 106. And right and left this part represent as which shape? Semicircle shape. There perimeter ask. Perimeter means semicircle case. We instead of perimeter we tell as a circumference. So circumference of these two semicircular part, adding time we get total distance around the inner track will get in there. I hope you can understand. That is a first part. Two parts they asking. First they asking a distance around the inner part or inner track asking a. Same way second part they asking a find out the area of this track, full track area they asking. So first we go through first case perimeter finding is. What are the information they given? The length is given. Length of the track. Length of the track they given there. How much they given? 106 meter they given. 106 meter is the length of the track. Then same way width also given. Width is how much given? 10 meter is the width of the track. That also they given in the question there. Then here first part they ask a distance. Distance means remember perimeter. Distance around the track, along it's a inner edge. inner edge part they ask to find out. How to find out means inner part here to here represent as a length of the rectangle, that is PQ plus PQ plus down part also this much distance represent as a length, that is SR plus right and left side which shape inside track semicircle. How many semicircle are there? 2 times are there. 2 into their perimeter means circumference. 2 into circumference of semicircle. We give us a semicircle which name POS semicircle. POS semicircle, circumference of two semicircle. So how to find out the PQ value represent as a length of the track, that is how much 106. SR value represent as that also length of the track, how much 106 meter plus 2 into, so what is the formula for finding here a circumference of a semicircle? Half into 2 pi r is the formula. 2 cancel, pi r is remaining. So 106 plus 106 become, how much will come in there? It will become 212 plus 2 into pi place 22 by 7 into radius. Here see that also once you here in this semicircle PS represent as which is our semicircle, POS is our semicircle, PS represent as a diameter. Diameter is equal to the distance between the parallel sides of the track. Distance between parallel sides of the track is given as how much? 60 meters. So convert that one. So that also we can write diameter is equal to 60 meter. Radius part, how to find out? Radius is equal to half of 60 comes to be 30 meter. So here our place we can substitute 30 we can substitute there. Then calculation, cancellation possible, cancellation not possible. So we add 212 plus here 22 into 2 become how much? 44. 44 into 3 become how much? Here 132. 132 divided by 7. 132 divided with 7. Division do in time. How much will this 7 will cross multiply? Cross multiply in time. This part to become how much? 7 2s are 40. Remainder 1 7 8. Here 41,484 plus here 10 also there. Don't forget 30 place 10 is the, for easy calculation 22 into 2 comes to be 44. 44 is multiplied with 3 only. So 132 and 10 is there. So 1320 whole divided with 7. So this part adding to how will come in there? 2804 divided with 7 meter square. Meter is the distance around the track along this inner edge will get it. I hope you can understand the first part. Then same way they ask you to find out here second part area of the track. Second part we go through second part. Area of the track. Area of the track, how to find out the second part. Area of track. Track means here they are running through this part only. This part area they asking. How to find out area of that part? Outer portion is subtracted with the inner track. Outer track is this part represent as outer part. Outer part is subtracted with inner part area. Then we get this part area will get. That's why area of a track is equal to outer area of outer track subtracted with the area of inner track. Area of inner triangle subtraction do in time, you get a answer. Area of a triangle, how to get that is a question. Area of outer triangle subtracted with area of inner part subtraction do in time. This inside part, this part area will get in there. Then here some more calculation is there. That's why one by one I take and do that. First part area of outer part to find out. Area of outer track first we want to find. Afterwards inner track area. Then both areas are subtraction doing them. Final answer will get in. So one by one. Area of inner track how to find out means in outer track means in which way this part represent as outer track. Outer track means here to here which shape we mark there one rectangle shape. This is our ABC rectangle is there. And ABC rectangle right and left part represent as which shape a semicircle. So what we want to do here is to area of rectangle, that rectangle part, what is the name of that rectangle? ABCD rectangle is added with 2 times, yeah, right and left, 2 semicircle are there. 2 times area of semicircle. Area of a semicircle. What name we give outer part? ATD semicircle. 2 times area of a semicircle. Semicircle name we give as ATD is our semicircle DM. So value substitute. So area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth represent as area of the rectangle plus 2 into what is the formula for finding area of a semicircle? Half pi r square is the area of the semicircle. 2 into half pi r. 2 and 2 cancel, pi r square only remaining there. Then here length of the track we want. Length is okay. Length part is how much? 106 is the length. Breadth how to find it means we know the distance between these two parallel side how much they given 60. We want this much distance we want. A to D distance we want. Here P to A distance and S to distance how to get it means P to A represent as a width of the track. Width of the track is how much they gave 10 meter. And S to D represent as there also width of the track represent. Here also 10, here also 10. How many times 10 we adding there? 2 times. 10 plus 10 comes to be 20. Already P to S distance we know how much is 60. That's why we can write it as side to write it as a breadth of track is equal to, write it as 60 is added with 2 times here AP distance is equal to width, that is 10, and SD distance represent as width of the track, that also 10. So how much become the width? 80 meter is the width of breadth of the track. So breadth place we can substitute as 80 plus pi place 22 by 7 into radius. Radius means here a radius of semicircle, which is a semicircle. ATD is our semicircle. ATD part represent as here a semicircle. AD represent as a diameter of that semicircle. So we want a radius. Diameter because how much we got? A to D distance how much now we got here, that is equal to breadth of our rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to the diameter of our semicircle. Breadth of the rectangle is how much? 80. That's why radius become how much will getting there? Half of the 80, that is 40 meter. So here R place we can substitute 40. How many times? 2 times. R square is that's why we can write it as 2 times. Cancellation possible, cancel. Here cancellation not possible. So direct calculation 0 is there. 8 6 are 48 to 4 8 into 1 8 plus here 2 zeros are there. Then next 8, 4 4s are 16. So 22 into 16 become how much? Here 12, 13, here 2, 2, here 2, 5, 3. So we get 35200 divided with 7. Then here up to there enough. Later we can calculation up to there. This is the area of the outer track. Area of the outer track because how much? This much meter is the area of the outer. Later we can calculate. Now up to there enough. Then next process, area of the inner track also find out. Same process. Next part is area of inner part. Area of inner track we want. Area of inner track equal area of here inside track is which one? This one. Rectangle shape is which one? PQRS is the rectangle. So there we can write it as area of the rectangle. Rectangle is PQRS plus there also right and left which shape inside a small inside a track case 2 semicircle are the 2 into area of semicircle. Here in this semicircle what name we given there? POS is our semicircle name. That's why there you mark it as a area of semicircle POS. Value substitute. Area of rectangle is length into breadth plus area of semicircle is 2 times are the, so 2 into half pi r square. Length is equal to 106. Length have inside part length PQ distance have no change 106. But breadth they represent as how much breadth of inner track. Breadth of inner track represent as inner rectangle is equal to how much? Here to here, that already they given, that is equal to the distance between the parallels. How much they given in the question there? That is equal to 60 meter. So there also we can write it as this is a 60 meter. Then what about that 60 meter? That is equal to diameter of our semicircle. Semicircle diameter means PS is the diameter of the semicircle. So we want next step radius. This part radius we radius how to find out? Half of 60 become radius of that semicircle. Half of 60 become how much? 30 meter is the radius. So here we can write it as breadth place. How much we have? 60 plus 22 by pi plus 22 by 7 into r place which value we substitute? 30 we want to substitute. So 30 into 30. Calculation doing time. Here how much will getting there? Calculation doing one note here 1 0 is the 6 6 are 36 3 6 plus here also cancellation not possible 3 into 3 9 then 2 zeros are coming then 22 is multiplied with 9 18 1 19 so 19800 divided with 7. So outer radius. Then what is our second part? How to get area of the track? Area of outer track is subtracted with the area of inner track. Values outer track area already just before we got that value substitute minus area of inner track represent as how much this is our inner track area. Both are subtraction doing time we get. So I am going to value substitute there. So here value substitute in time. Outer track area because how much early we got 8,480 plus here 35,200 divided with 7 minus inner part case 6,360 plus 19800 divided with 7. Here see, here subtraction symbol is multiplied to the inside bracket and open the bracket. So opening the 8,480 plus 35,200 divided with 7 minus into plus become minus 6,360 minus into plus change into minus 19,800 divided with with 7. These two are not a fraction, they are whole numbers. These two parts are subtraction. So correctly writing them, they write together. And a fractional part, so fractional part is 35,200 divided with 7 here minus 19,800 divided with 7. This part is subtraction do. Subtraction doing how much? 8 minus 6 become 2. Here 4 minus 3 become 1. Then 8 minus 2 become so 2120 is this part of subtraction. Here also subtraction do. Numerator, denominator both have a same denominator. Numerator part is subtracted. Subtraction doing them 35200 is subtracted with 19800. Subtraction doing them 12 minus 8 to become 4. Here 14 minus 9 become how much? 5. Here 2. So how much here coming? 15400. But denominator have no change. 7 comes as a denominator. These two parts cancel. 7 table 15 and 2 times 14. Remainder 1 and this 4 joining time 14. 7 table 14 2 times then 20. So we get numbers as 2120 plus 2200. This are adding time. How much will come in there? 4,320 meter square is the area of the outer area of the triangular getting. I hope you can understand that question. Next we go through 9th question. 9th question that tells about one circle is there. Here circular part is there. Diagram they given there. Circle is there. In this way circle is there. 2 diameters are given. Here 2 diameters are given. Mark it as A, B. Here C, D. Intersect O is the center of that circle. Then next they given as a OA radius they given. OA value they given as a 7 centimeter. OA value they given as a 7. And the one more circle is there. One more circle is there. That means here OD diameter carrying one circle is there. That circle is fully shaded there. This part is fully shading there. And B to C and C to A are joining. Joining time we get a triangle shape. And this part they are shaded. Here what they ask means find out the area of the shaded portion. Where they are shading? This circular part is shading there. This region also, this part also shaded there. How to find out that shading? Area of this circle part is added with the area of this part. But again problem, this part area how to find out, this part how to take outside. Here looking at this part represent as a semicircle. From semicircle inside another one diagram is the one triangle. From semicircle that triangle were removing time and the shaded part were getting. So area of the semicircle is subtracted with the area of the triangle. We get the shaded part area. Then that value and this circle area, that circle is fully shaded. The area where circle areas are adding time, we get the area of the total area of the shaded portion will get in. I hope you can understand this one. So we go through what are the information they given there. OA they given that. Here we can write it as OA is equal to, it is equal to what? Radius of our semicircle. Radius of semicircle. OA portion is looking like a radius of semicircle. That is how much they given? 7 centimeter they given. Okay. Then next process. Here OA, okay. Next we want first frame here semicircle. Then what about AB? AB is the diameter of the semicircle. OA is the radius of the circle. What about OB? OB is the diameter. What is the relation between a radius and a diameter? Diameter is the twice of the radius. That's why we can write it as a diameter of semicircle AB is equal to, how to get it, twice of radius. That is 2 into 7 become 14 centimeter become the radius of diameter of the semicircle. That diameter is equal to what here? Which diagram this one? Triangle shape. How to find out area of that triangle? Half into base into height. That AB is equal to our base of that triangle. So we can write it as next step. Therefore, base of the triangle, which triangle? ABC is equal to diameter of the semicircle. That is equal to how much? 14 centimeter. Then next here half into base into height. Height representing this triangle, which is a height? OC is the height of that triangle. We know that OA is the radius of the circle. OC is also radius of the circle. OD also radius of the circle. OB also become radius of that circle. OA they given 7. That's why OC also how much is 7. OD also how much is 7. So we can write it as OA is equal to, OC is equal to, here OB is equal to OD. All of them become how much centimeter? 7 centimeter. They are the radius of that circle. So OC value we get a 7. The OC is equal to what? Height of that triangle. OC height of triangle. Therefore, height of triangle ABC become how much? OC. OC value is how much we got? 7 centimeter. Then next we can say diameter of this circle is equal to OD is how much we have? 7. We want lastly we want area of this circle. Area of circle is pi r square. R means radius of circle. Radius of circle means half of this diameter. So diameter is OD. OD is how much? 7, and that's why therefore radius of circle also we can write it as a radius of circle. We can write it as a half of diameter. OD is the diameter. So half of 7 becomes 7 by 2. Don't want to divide. So 7 by 2 centimeter is the radius of that circle. Then we can go through that information. Therefore, what is our aim? Area of shaded region. That is opposite. Region is equal to area of circle is added with which area? Area of this part. But that part area, how to find out? That also we want to find. How to find out that area? Area of semicircle part is subtracted with the area of triangle ABC. Then only that shaded part, this shaded part area will get it. Then here calculation doing that answer is added with the area of the circle. That is the meaning of that question. So we can go through here. I writing here area of circle. Shaded region is area of circle formula is pi r square plus area of semicircle is half pi r square minus area of triangle is half into base into height is the formula. Half into base into height is the formula. Pi place a pi value represent as 22/7. Radius of circle, now we got how much radius of circle becomes 7/2. So we can write it as a 7/2 into r square is there, plus half into pi place 22/7 into radius of semicircle. Semicircle radius is equal to our OA value. OA value is how much? 7. Already they given. But r square is there. That's why we can write it as 7 into 7. Then minus half into base. Base of that triangle already given. The base is of the triangle is equal to 40. Diameter of the semicircle 14 into height represent as how much there height of the triangle is 7 centimeter. 2 and 14 cancel, 7 times 7 and 7 cancel, 2 and 22 cancel, 11 times 7 and 7 cancel, 2 and 22 cancel 11 times. So remaining part calculation only remaining 11 into 7 becomes 77/2. Then plus inside bracket calculation 11 into 7 becomes 77 minus 7 into 7 becomes how much? 49. Again calculation doing time 77/2 plus here 8, then here comes to be 6, 6 minus 4 comes to be 28. So cross multiply, one is a fractional number, another is a whole number. What we want to do, cross multiply. Cross multiply and how much will come in there? 77 plus how much there? 56 divided by 2. They are adding to how much will come in here? 13, here remainder 1, 12, 31, 33/2. Division doing time 6, remainder 1 again 6, here a remainder 1 is there, 5 centimeter square is the area of the shader. I hope you can understand this question, how to find out the area of that shader region.